Welcome to the JM Show.
Today on our show, we'll be talking about science, and with our two famous scientists, Anissa and Liz. Welcome.
So today, Mariah and I have 3 questions to answer, and one to answer together. And Anissa and Liz will tell us if the questions we answer are correct. And yes, we did our research.
Ooh, stop right on time.
Hello.
Hi.
Today we'll be talking about science with our two famous scientists, Liz and Anissa. Today they gave us 3 questions to answer, and we gave them 2 also to answer separately.
Stop. So if Mariah answers the question I gave her right and the question they're supposed to answer together, then I'll officially pronounce Mariah a scientist. The question I gave Mariah was, what comets and asteroids are, how they behave, how likely it is that one will collide with Earth, and what will happen if a collision occurs. Now, you may answer.
In this picture, it shows the 5 different parts of a comet: the coma, the nucleus, the dust tail, the gas tail, and the hydrogen corona. Well, what I've researched was that comets are mixtures of ice and dust. And comets are basically a ball of ice. It has 5 different parts to it. It has a coma, a nucleus, a dust tail, a gas tail, and a hydrogen corona. The way comets behave is they travel in long oval paths called ellipses, which bring them close to the sun and eventually back out deep into space. It isn't likely for a comet to hit Earth. And now for asteroids. Asteroids are large rocks in space. They were left over from the formation of our solar system. An asteroid traveling method is still unknown. It is said that they just move along with gravity. It is said that the asteroid can hit Earth in 2040. The UN team is trying to find a way to divert it. So did I answer your question, Liz?
Now you and Jasnique have only one question left to answer. The answers were truly correct. I can say you did your research very well.
Thank you, Liz. It's your turn now, Jasnique. Let's see if she'll be pronounced a scientist.
Well, if Jasnique answers this question correctly, plus the additional question she has partnered with Mariah, you will also be pronounced a scientist as well.
Yes.
So the question I gave Jasnique was, why is extraversal influences on the community a natural part of Earth system evolution?
Without the sun, there's no life, so that's the driving force of nature. Start with the sun. It's extraterrestrial. The sun, other than the sun and the moon, gravity pull of the moon create the tides. Though the options are limited, larger celestial bodies such as asteroids can have a significant effect on Earth's climate.
Wow, Jasnique, to my surprise, you answered the question correct. Now you have only one final question left to answer and to be pronounced a scientist. Good luck. So the last question for Jasnique and Mariah is, what are Earth's orbital and gravitational relationships with the sun and moon?
We got this. Well, the Earth's gravitational relationship with the sun is our Earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, only because the sun pulls our Earth by gravity, and also the Earth travels around the sun counterclockwise for 365 days.
And then the moon revolves around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. Also, so it travels around the Earth counterclockwise. So what you think of our answer?
Congratulations. You all did exactly answer the questions correctly. Now we pronounce you all scientists. OMG, thank you.
We got it.
We did it. Well, now we have to test the true scientists with the question.
The question we're giving them is given to them separately. So do you still have your scientist touch? We may begin with Anissa. Let's go.
Okay, Anissa, your question was, how solar activity influences Earth? Why does hazardous and beneficial effects solar radiation include? And how the sun and the other radiation include? And how the sun and the other stars are structured?
An obvious benefit would be the sun giving us heat, which is also beneficial. A hazardous effect would be solar wind particles damaging our satellites. Also, it's beneficial because it helps Earth make plants and life grow. But it is also hazardous because the solar wind particles damage satellites.
Correct. Now moving on to Liz.
Okay, Liz. The question for you is how Earth fits into the universe, including the follow formation and evolution of our solar system, Earth's distance from the orbit of the sun, Earth's place in the galaxy, and the galaxy's place in the universe. Okay, that may be a lot, but you're a scientist, so you should know the answer.
Earth fits into the universe like a grain of sand fits on the beach. The Earth is small compared to the whole universe. The best part about Earth being part of the universe is that it's the only planet with actual life living on it. Earth's distance from the sun is 960,000 miles, or 149,600,000 kilometers. Earth's orbit is an elliptical, and it's been shaped by 400 years of telescope observation.
Well, we're all scientists. Jasnick and I, not literally. All right, bye. Thanks.